What's up? Welcome back to the garage. Today I'm going to be working on the Dodge Dakota. What I'm going to be doing is trying to fix the headlights. They have sun damage from being, in the sun for a long time. It's a 2009, so the left headlight's more damaged than the right, and that's what I'm going to be trying to fix today. And I'm going to be using a 3M Headlight Restoration kit that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll also have a link in the description below if you want to try out this kit too. But I'm going to try it out and I'll get it all on video and we'll see how it turns out. Oh, and real quick, those of you that have subscribed for the OBS truck, I do still have it. It's right here. I haven't done an update on it in a while, and let me just walk you guys through a quick update on that. So this is how it sits as of right now. Haven't been doing too much with it, but I did do a few things that I haven't recorded on video since my last video. And that is, I installed some interior LED lighting. It's going to be kind of hard to see because my garage is open, but as you see right there, that's a LED. And then this is also a LED. And then there's also one more LED over on the other side. Right there. It looks really good at night. And then I also installed this a long time ago that I never showed anybody. It's just some little thing I bought at AutoZone. You just push that, and then I got two blue LED strips on each side. Where's the other one? But yeah, everything looks pretty cool at night. And then these come on every time I just open the door, so those look really nice. But that's all I've done for the interior. I do have a new radio coming in the mail right now. I'm going to be changing this one out. This is actually a good radio. I've only had it for a year, but there's this new one that I want to put in. So that'll be a future video coming really soon. And then also what else I've done on this truck since the last video is I've tried cleaning the headlights. They were really yellow and hazy, and then I got some Headlight Restoration sanding stuff. Or let me show you what I used. For this truck, I used this kit that I had in my garage for a long time, Headlight Lens Restorer. It's pretty much just like the one that we're going to be using today on the Dakota, except this one connects to a drill, and this one doesn't. You just hand sand it. It comes with these little sanding discs right here, or little pads, and you just sand it by hand, and I think it came out pretty good. Yeah, it came out pretty good. I was gonna buy new headlights for this truck, but I was like, you know what, let me just try to fix them first. So yeah, I'm gonna rock those headlights for a little while longer since they look good again. And today we'll use this kit on the truck, the Dodge. See if we can get some of this ugly haziness out of there. So I just looked over everything. It seems like a really simple process. So basically it's got 3 different grits. We got an 800 grit, and then we got a 500 grit, and then a 3000 grit, and then a final buffing pad. So basically all you got to do, we're just going to clean the headlight with soap and water, mask around the headlight so that way when we're sanding with this we don't sand our paint job on accident. And then we'll start off with the 800 grit, the 500 grit, and then we'll go to 800 and then 3000, and then we'll final buff it, and then we'll see. And then, but when we do the final buffing, you're going to want to use the rubbing compound. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm just about ready to begin. I got the headlights taped off, and I'm going to go ahead and start with our 500 grit. I got a spray bottle to keep it lubricated, so I'm going to spray a little bit on there. Sanding it. this is how both headlights look after the first 500 grit sand. This one's pretty ugly because this headlight was really bad. And then this side, it's not as hazy because this headlight was still pretty good. But yeah, I just did a 500 grit sanding on both of them. So let's switch to 800 grit. Alright, this is after the 800 grit. Now let's try out the 3000 grit. Now here's how it looks after the 3000 grit. So the last step now is just to use this foam pad and the rubbing compound, and that should be the last step, and it should look pretty good after that. Alright, I'm completely done now. This is how it looks after buffing with the foam pad. came out pretty good. I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Just drop a comment. I'll go ahead and try to leave a link in the description below for this 3M kit that I used on the Dakota. And then I'll also try to leave a link for this one that I used on the OBS truck, since that one came out pretty good too. I like both of these kits, they work pretty good. One thing I like more about this kit is it comes with the lens sealing wipe, and that's to protect the lens after you're done from UV rays. This one didn't include that, but maybe in the rubbing compound there was some sort of UV sealant in there. I'm not really sure, but this one did come with the wipe. So basically what I did with this one, since it didn't come with a wipe, after I was done with the headlights, I put some carnauba wax, and I put that on also to kind of protect it from the sun. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Rims coming soon for the Dodge. New radio coming soon for the truck. And then eventually a drop kit. And on here, I'm going to be doing an exhaust after I do the rims. So we got some stuff coming up. Alright, thanks for checking out my video.